Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I'm always buying shoes. A lot of the times I'm not keeping them, but it was just my birthday and I did go a little bit crazy. So as a result, we're gonna have a few unboxings. So I'm just gonna do one at a time, and I will be sure to link the other videos whenever they're posted. I tried so hard to get this. Like, obviously I try for most shoes, but when I really want a shoe, I'll do all the raffles I can find. That's what I did for this, but I still had no luck. I had my eye on this shoe for quite some time, like as soon as I saw the first pictures of it being released, and I told myself, like, I don't even care. Like, I know I'm probably not going to get it because, let's be real, do we ever actually get them for retail? No. But I was like, yeah, I'll pay resale. I don't care. These are the Jordan 1 University Blues. I love this. I think they're just so cute. Ugh, I literally like just love them. I knew this was going to be a necessity. See, it kind of reminds me of my Obsidians, and I love my Obsidians, but I wear a lot of black and the Obsidians are just blue and navy. And I really like how this one isn't navy, it's literally black. Also, the quality on these is amazing. Like, Obsidians, I would say out of the Jordans I have, my Obsidians are the best quality, but these ones, like, oh, and I don't know if you can see, but it's that nice tumbled leather. It's so good. So I'm so excited to finally have these. And the way I feel about these is the same as the Hyper Royals, so I already told myself I'll be probably paying resale for those too. Just because I think after the mochas, I almost learned that, like, I might as well just buy it sooner rather than later. And I paid $4.35 for these, and these are men's 7.5 or women's 9. And they just had the third drop. I feel like this whole release was kind of just really strange because how often do you see it dropping like 3 different times on foot sites and stuff? It's just weird. I waited to watch the prices go down a little bit, so I bought after the second drop. But now after the third one, I think they're down even a little bit lower. I think closer to 400. So I think now's the time to buy because I think it's gonna go right back up. I mean, it'll probably be, because it was pretty close to 500 before, so it'll probably go back up towards 500 pretty fast, because we haven't seen these dip a lot. Sometimes when a shoe's release, you'll see it dip. These dipped a little bit, but nothing crazy. Like, it's kind of just wild. So there was a part of me that accepted, you know, if I can get them as close to 400 as possible, I'll take it, because I don't know if they're going to dip below 400. So like I said, the quality on these shoes is just amazing. Like, I love the tumbled leather. Even on the swoosh, it's all tumbled. Even up here, it's all tumbled. So, all right, we have the Carolina blue sole with a white midsole with, you know, like the white toe box. And this right here is white with the nice tumbled leather, as I mentioned. You have the nice Carolina blue. It's like a suede or like a soft leather. And we have our swooshes in black. You know, we have this detail around here, which is all black. The Air Jordan logo in black. We have a white tongue with the black Nike Air tag with the blue wording. And inside you have the Carolina blue Nike Air logo. Comes laced with the black laces, and it also comes with blue laces. I think I like the black. I'm actually surprised it doesn't come with white laces. Of course, I want to show you how they look on the foot, so I will insert some clips of me trying them on my feet right now. I've actually worn these quite a few times now too, so if you see any creasing or any marks or signs of wear, that is why. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm curious to know how much you think these are going to be worth in about a year, because I mean, there was a lot of hype around these when they dropped, so let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Bye guys!